As we close out another year here on World News, Diane and I wanted to take a moment to thank the team here behind the scenes, the faces you don't see who bring you this broadcast every night of the year. A huge thank you to them and a thank you to you at home for watching. For Diane and all of us here at ABC News, Happy New Year. We'll see you next year. Good night.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never thought upon, the flames of love extinguished and fully past and gone? For all lang syne, my Joe, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of